Many types of IPv6 to IPv4 tunneling do exist. Some of these are manually configured tunnels, MCTs, dynamic 6 to 4 tunnels, intra-site automatic tunnel addressing protocol, ISATAP, and Teredo tunneling. MCTs are those tunnels in which we create tunnel interfaces. These interfaces are like a virtual router interface. The configuration in these tunnels references the IPv4 addresses in the IPv4 header that encapsulates the IPv6 packet. Dynamic 6 to 4 tunnels are dynamically created on the IPv4 internet. In these tunnels, we can dynamically locate the tunnel endpoints from the destination IPv6 address. ISATAP is another dynamic tunnel that we can use inside of an enterprise. Note that these tunnels do not work if we use IPv4 NAT between the tunnel endpoints. However, dynamic 6 to 4 tunnels work well even when we use IPv4 NAT between the tunnel endpoints. MCTs, dynamic 6 to 4 tunnels, and ISATAP are used for tunnels between routers. But what about hosts? One type of tunnel used for hosts is Teredo tunnels. Teredo tunneling is the tunneling method that allows the hosts in a dual stack to create a tunnel to another host. The host is responsible for both creating the IPv6 packet and encapsulating the packet inside an IPv4 header.